Chemical Kim here on the streets to learn if people know what mass balance is. You are?
Luz Perez.
So I'm going to ask you a question about mass balance. I'm going to give you three choices. A, making sure lab equipment like scales are always accurate when measuring mass in chemical experiments. B, an ancient ritual performed by alchemists to keep elements balanced for lab experiments. Or C, a way to track and certify how much sustainable materials is mixed with other traditional materials when making everyday products.
C.
Ching, 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 ching. And you are?
Alejandra.
And which selection would you pick?
B.
Good guess, but it's actually C. I am here with
Leslie.
Which one do you think it is? A, B, or C?
I'd say C.
Wow, good job. You got it right. So imagine we have two types of stuff we use to make plastic. One comes from virgin fossil raw materials, and the other comes from circular raw materials from recycling used plastic. Mass balance is like a rule or method that helps us keep track of how much of each type of stuff we're using when we make new plastic. When companies want to use recycled materials from advanced recycling to make things such as food packaging, they use mass balance to figure out how much recycled material is used for different plastic items they're making. It's like a math formula for making sure we use more recycled stuff in our products. They can tell us, the consumers, that their products have more recycled stuff in them. Dow is committed to making a circular economy for the future, and mass balance is a big part of that. When we buy things made with more recycled materials, we're helping the planet by using plastic waste as raw materials, diverting it from landfills or incinerations, and not relying so much on virgin fossil raw materials.